Chalo, question number 136. Question number 136. Which of the following is not a Lewis acid? For a kind of information, all electron deficient compounds are Lewis acids. अच्छा, BF3 is electron deficient compound, AlCl3 is electron deficient compound, FeCl3 electron deficient compound, but PH3 आप देख लीजिए, which containing PH3 में phosphorus containing lone pair, which can donate a pair of electron pair donors are nothing but Lewis base only. So first three are Lewis acid, fourth one is Lewis base. Next, which of the following conjugate acid of, अच्छा conjugate acid is nothing but base plus proton. Conjugate acid is nothing but base plus proton. They are asking conjugate acid, which is nothing but base plus proton. अच्छा उसका बेस है, प्रोटॉन ऐड करो, HSO4 माइनस होता है, राइट? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 138. न्यूक्लियोफाइल्स आर लुईस बेसेस हैं, इलेक्ट्रोफाइल्स आर लुईस एसिड्स हैं. न्यूक्लियोफाइल्स आर लुईस बेसेस हैं. अच्छा, आई थिंक फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट, which of the following salts will give basic solution and errors? Basic solution means pH is greater than 7. Greater than 7. For example, ammonium chloride is a combination of weak base and strong acid. Strong acid means pH is less than 7. Once again, it is a salt of a strong acid and strong base. pH is equal to 7. K2CO3 is the salt of a strong base and weak acid and pH is greater than 7. Ammonium carbonate. Ammonium carbonate is weak acid and weak base, but based on strength of acid and base, of course, slightly acidic हो सकता है, slightly basic हो सकता है. But basic in nature is nothing but only 2. Second option. Next question number 140. Which of the following salts with the concentrated 0.1 molar use basic? Once again, basic solution. अच्छा, basic solution देखो, और ये ask ammonium acetate है, salt of a weak acid and weak base है, ammonium chloride है, is acidic solution है, because ammonium chloride is acidic solution है, is a combination of weak base and strong acid, and ammonium sulfate. Ammonium sulfate also salt of a strong acid and weak base. pH is less than 7. Sodium acetate. Because strong base pH is greater than 7. Strong acid pH less than 7. Strong acid pH less than 7. Now ammonium acetate is maybe slightly acidic, maybe slightly basic. Based on strength of acid and base, we can predict it. Next, अच्छा देखो ये basic का acidic का. This is the basic in nature, no doubt. Strong base है, basic in nature. अच्छा basic का मतलब pH is greater than 7. मतलब ये 3 होना चाहिए. अच्छा ये 3 एक ही ऑप्शन में देखो. Usually you can guess that A is only 3 option. अच्छा ammonium chloride is acidic है. Acidic है. अच्छा B2. अच्छा NaNO3 salt of a strong acid and strong base है. Neutral pH is equal to 7. Like almost neutral, we can say that pH slightly greater than 7 or less than 7. Slightly greater than 7, less than 7. Based on strength of the acid and base, we can. Question number 140, 142. They're asking what is the pH of this barium hydroxide solution? pH of this barium hydroxide solution. अच्छा देखो 10 power minus 3 is given. ये वाला 10 power minus 3 मोलर. चलो एक काम करो 10 power minus 3 molar 10 power minus 3 molar barium hydroxide solution है. अच्छा for your kind information base normality is OH which is equal to molarity into N factor. अच्छा molarity is 10 power minus 3 N factor for this is nothing but 2 which is equal to 2 into 10 power minus 3. अच्छा POH is nothing but negative logarithm of 2 into 10 power minus 3. अच्छा this is nothing but 3 minus log 2 equal to 3 minus 0.3. अच्छा 2.7 pH 2.7 but they're asking pH. pH is equal to 14 minus 2.7. अच्छा देखो 14.2.7 वाला 3 है 1 है 11.3 nothing but 11.3. देखो answer is 11.3. once again note करो 10 power minus 3 molar barium hydroxide is given. How to find out normality? So molarity into N factor है. वो देखो this is normality. Nothing but OH minus. We calculate POH. POH is 2.7 है. But you want to calculate pH. 14 minus POH we get a pH. Note करो. Right? चलो. Next, question number 143. Question number 143. 0.05 mole of NaOH is added to 5 liter solution. अच्छा pH. अच्छा NaOH. Question number 143. अच्छा for NaOH solution normality is equal to OH. Normality is equal to OH minus, which is equal to molarity into N factor. अच्छा molarity into 1, which is equal to molarity is equal to normality. अच्छा we will calculate the molarity formula क्या है? N into V in liters. Like molarity you can calculate because 0.05 is given. 0.05 is given. Divided by volume is how many? 5 liters volume. Divided by 5, which is equal to 0.01, nothing but 10 power minus 2. मतलब OH minus is equal to 10 power minus 2. OH minus is equal to 10 power minus 2. Then POH is equal to. Then POH is equal to 2. Then POH is equal to 2. But they ask the calculation में they ask pH not POH. For your kind information, pH plus POH is equal to 14. So pH is equal to 14 minus 2, which is equal to 12. मतलब your answer should be 12. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर अच्छा एक बार देख लीजिए फॉर NaOH के लिए molarity normality both are same. So number of moles are given, we calculate molarity. Molarity is equal to normality. Calculate molarity 10 power minus 2. मतलब normality also same है. So OH minus is equal to 10 power minus 2. Then POH is 2. Then pH plus POH is equal to 14. pH is equal to 2. Right. Next 144. 144. What will be the pH of the soft drink if iodine concentration sample is this one? अच्छा, they're asking pH here. Question number 144. Question number 144. अच्छा, for a combination, pH is equal to negative logarithm of 3.8 into 10 power minus 3 to the base 10, which is equal to 3 minus log 3.8. अच्छा, 3 minus 3.8 is nothing but 0.58, which is equal to 2.4. अच्छा, odd man out है, odd man out है. 3 minus log 3.8. If you suppose in problem also they are not providing log 3.8, your answer is supposed to be 2.42, because less than 3 only one option is there, that is 2.42. Next, question number 145. Question number 145. Question number 145. Degree of ionization of acid. अच्छा, degree of ionization of an acid HA is given. अच्छा, what very simple thing है, given alpha value given है, देखो 1 2 3 4 5, मतलब 1 into 10 power minus 5. Once again, decimal point 1 2 3 4 5, alpha value is given है, C is given है 0.1. अच्छा, for a weak acid के लिए for a Van de Graaff information, K is equal to C alpha square. K is equal to C alpha square. अच्छा, C value is given 0.1. Alpha is 10 power minus 5 whole square. I think for 10 power minus 1, 10 power minus 10, which is equal to 10 power minus 11. Very simple. Direct formula based question. Direct formula based question. Like the degree of ionization of acid is given at K value is how much we are going to calculate. Achha, this is I think previous last question also for polybasic acids for a kind of information, Ka1 greater than Ka2 greater than Ka3. This is a very simple one. Previous last one question also in NEET examination. For polybasic acid, anyone, first ionization constants are always greater than remaining one. Nothing but Ka1 greater than Ka2 greater than Ka3. Next question number 147 है, 147 है. अच्छा देखो, वीक एसिड है, वीक बेस है. पर वीक एसिड है, वीक बेस है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 147 है. 147 है. pH is equal to 7 plus of pKa minus of pKa. अच्छा, वैल्यू सर गिवन आप देख लीजिए 5.76 minus half into 5.25. 7 plus 5.76 divided by 2. Which is equal to 2.88. अच्छा, minus 5.25 divided by 2. 2.625. Now what is this value? 7 plus 2.88 minus 2.625, which is equal to 7.255. 7.255. देख लीजिए ऑप्शन है. So first option 7.255. Right formula based question है, एक बार देखो. अच्छा, which are also asked NEET 2021 NEET examination. Like question only asked. Right? Right formula based question. Now 148. What is the pH of solution obtained by mixing 10 ml of 0.1 molar HCl and 40 ml of 0.2 molar sulfuric acid? देखो both are acid है. Both are acid है. Resultant solution is nothing but 148 है. Both are acid. Normality is equal to N1 V1 plus N2 V2 divided by V1 plus V2. अच्छा एसिड का नॉर्मलिटी नथिंग बट H प्लस. फर्स्ट सॉल्यूशन में नॉर्मलिटी क्या है? फर्स्ट सॉल्यूशन में नॉर्मलिटी HCl का मोलारिटी नॉर्मलिटी सेम है 0.110. 0.110. सेकंड सॉल्यूशन में दे गिवन सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड है. सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड उसका नॉर्मलिटी क्या है? 0.2 into 2 10 factor 2 0.4. अच्छा मतलब भी 40 into 0.4 divided by total volume is nothing but 50 ml. 10 ml 40 ml 50 ml. अच्छा 50 ml. ये देखो ये 1 16 है by 50. Approximately 17 by 50. 17 by 50. अच्छा 17 by 51 is approximately 1/3. Approximately 1/3. But we need to calculate pH. pH is equal to negative logarithm of H plus concentration. Negative logarithm of 1/3 to the base 10. Nothing but log 1 to the base 10 minus log 3 to the base 10. मतलब ये 0 हो गया. -1 log 1 base 10 is equal to 0. अच्छा this प्लस है which is equal to plus 0.48. अब देखो approximately 0.48 approximately this is. Once again you can check it. Both are acids are given है. Both are acids are given. Resultant normality का formula है वो. N1 V1 plus N2 V2 divided by V1 plus V2. अच्छा total H plus ion concentration का formula. We got H plus concentration and then calculate pH. So pH is equal to negative logarithm of H plus ion concentration. Right? This is very simple. Now, acidity of BF3 can be explained on the basis of which of the following concept. I think this is very clear. अच्छा which concept है? Only Lewis concept है. It is not a protonic acid. It is a Lewis acid. Next. अच्छा pH of neutral water at 25 degrees 7 है. As the temperature increases, ionization water also increases. No doubt at all. What is the pH of pure water at 60 degrees? This is simple concept, less than 7. Because 25 में 10 power minus 14 है. Maybe it is less than 10 power minus 14 है. It may be 10 power minus 13 है. It may be 10 power minus 12 है. It may be 10 power minus 10 है. Whatever may be. अच्छा, if 10 power minus 10 is the pH is equal to 7 है. Because pure water का. 10 power minus, for example, question number 150. 150 kW at 25 degrees is equal to 1 into 10 power minus 14. अच्छा kW at what temperature is given at 60. 60 definitely greater than is greater than kW at 25 degrees, no doubt. मतलब 10 power minus 40. 10 power minus 40. मतलब H plus OH minus greater than for pure water. pure water, H plus and OH minus are equal. Then H plus square 10 power minus 14. H plus is equal to 10 power minus 7. Taking logarithm on both sides. H plus is greater than 10 power minus 7 means pH is less than 7. Very simple. H plus is greater than 7 ka meaning. That means pH is less than 7. Okay, H plus and pH always inversely proportional. A simple logical question only. You can also think about it. Simple logical question only. H plus is greater than 10 power minus 7. Matlab pH is less than 7. A solution of ammonium chloride is acidic in nature because it is a salt of a weak base and strong acid. That means cation undergoes hydrolysis. Cationic hydrolysis. Cationic hydrolysis में excess of acid बनता है, H plus बनता है. So ammonium ions means cationic hydrolysis है. So that means both correct region. This is one of the concept we discussed today. Types, I think, weak base and strong acidic type salt hydrolysis, cationic hydrolysis. So ammonium ion undergoes hydrolysis, not chloride ions. Next, the region behind the lower atomic radius of gallium is compared to aluminum is. This is only the poor shielding effect of d orbital contraction. Gallium is less size when compared to aluminum. Next one. Aluminum exhibit +3 oxidation state. As we move down the group, +1 oxidation state gets more stable. Reason because of, I think everybody knows. What is the reason? Because of inert pair effect. What is the inert pair effect? NS2 NP1. The electron which are present in the valence are reluctant to participate in bonding. That's why +1 oxidation is more stable than +3. In particular, in case of 13-5. This effect what we call as inert pair effect. Next, which of the following is not true according to nature of the halides of boron? Boron trihalides are covalent, correct only. Boron trihalides are planar triangular, correct only because molecule of the type AB3 type always sp2 planar, no doubt. Boron trihalides acting as a Lewis acid, correct only. Boron trihalides cannot be hydrolyzed easily. No, is can't. Only BF3 not undergoes hydrolysis. Not undergoes hydrolysis. The remaining can undergo hydrolysis. NCERT line, you can check it. NCERT lines. Among the boron trihalides, only BF3 cannot undergo hydrolysis. Remaining easily can undergo hydrolysis. So which of the following hydroxides are acidic in nature? So for our kind of information, these are only acidic. Remaining are alumina is a basic, amphoteric, Al2O3. Remaining are basic in character. Top to bottom basic nature increases. Next question. The decreasing order power of boron halides to acting as a Lewis acid. For your kind of information, due to back bonding, BF3 is a less Lewis acidic character. But Lewis acidic character top to bottom, it's like increases only. Yeah, that means BBr3. BCl. Why BF3 less tendency? Because of back bonding. Next, I think previous asked question 157. AlCl3 achieves stability by forming a dimer. Yes, no doubt. Al to Cl6. In trivalent state, the compound is hydrolyzed in water. AlCl3 in acidified aqueous solution forms cap. E1. I think you discussed that. प्रीवियस क्लास sp3d2 NCERT लाइन्स है, आप देख लीजिए। अच्छा, क्वेश्चन नंबर 158 आल्सो NCERT में इंटरेस्ट क्वेश्चन है, NCERT में इंटरेस्ट क्वेश्चन है। हाँ, डिस्कस्ड है। AlCl3 plus H2O क्या अल्यूमिनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, white fumes are because of what? HCl. So it is hydrolyzed in moisture, giving out fumes of HCl, which are given NCERT textbook में in test question है। आप एक बार देख लीजिए, NCERT में in test question है वाला। अच्छा, this 159 also NCERT में in test question है। Boron is unable to form BF33. This is because of non-availability of Dr. Once again, this is also NCERT in test question, right? Question number 160 आप देखेंगे। अच्छा, फर्स्ट क्या है? 10 वाटर मॉलिक्यूल एलिमिनेट होता है, X is nothing but Na2B4O7 है। अच्छा, ये वाला फर्स्ट ऑप्शन है। बोरॉक्स बी टेस्ट में इक्वेशंस है, बोरॉक्स बी टेस्ट में इक्वेशंस है। This is nothing but borax glass na, sodium metaborate plus B2O3, nothing but borax glass. अच्छा, this NCERT बुक में दिया ना। अच्छा, HCl plus H2O, aqueous H2O. Do you remember this? NaCl plus H3BO3. NCERT बुक में प्रिपरेशन में है HCl, right? डायरेक्ट प्रिपरेशन में है NCERT बुक में। अच्छा, बोरान बीट टेस्ट। Borax bead test में what happens when a mixture of cobalt oxide and borax is heated in a flame on a loop of platinum wire? Borax bead test में क्या होता है? एक ही one, only one is given NCERT textbook में, blue bead, blue color bead होता है। Only one is given NCERT textbook में, that only the task I am asked. Next, 163. Boric acid has a polymer layer structure, while in which planar BO3 units are joined by, I think I said now when we discussed it, we discussed it very clearly, through which bonds are hydrogen bonds. Achha, what is the boric acid? Is a tribal name for orthoboric acid, metaboric acid, pyroboric acid, none of this. Very simple. This is a orthoboric acid. Achha, one more very simple question tha. Type of hybridization of boron in diborane is what? What type of hybridization hai? sp3 hybridization hai. Is discussed na, each boron is sp3, each boron produces 4 sp3, like it's very simple hai. sp3 hybridization hai. अच्छा, इन डाइबोरेन में ऐसा देखो, डाइबोरेन में क्या देखो, each boron 4 sp3. अच्छा, another boron also 4. अच्छा, symbol for hybridization है, symbol for hybridization है। अच्छा, 1 2 3, 1 2 3। अच्छा, वैकेंसी है ये वाला, दिस इज वेकेंट है, यहाँ वेकेंट है। अच्छा, हाइड्रोजन के लिए देखो, हाइड्रोजन है, ये हाइड्रोजन है, ये वाला हाइड्रोजन है, ये वाला, दिस आर द 2 सेंटर 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन बॉन्ड्स है। और यहाँ देखो बीच में देखो, ये वाला 3 सेंटर 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन बॉन्ड्स है, 3 सेंटर 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन बॉन्ड्स। So there are 4 bridge, no, incorrect. 2 bridge hydrogen atoms and 4 terminal hydrogen atoms are present. 3 bridge, there are no bridge. This is a 2 bridge iodine atoms are and 4 terminal iodines are present. It's a very simple diagram. 66. Actually, X is nothing but ammonia. This equation is very important. Diborium and react with ammonia. Diborium and react with ammonia. This is nothing but ammonia. Right? अच्छा क्या बनेगा? बोराजोल बोरोजाइन. अच्छा बोराजोल बोरोजाइन. अच्छा फर्स्ट ऑप्शन. बोराजोल and बोरोजाइन. Inorganic benzene बोलते हैं. Previously asked one question. Boron nitrate can be represented by the structure of boron nitrate is similar to what? Graphite. Similar to what? Graphite. These are inorganic graphite बोलता है. Inorganic benzene को बोरोजाइन है. Inorganic graphite को boron nitrate. Next. 169. Which of the following is a Lewis acid? अच्छा Lewis acid है. Electron deficient compound is Lewis acid. Only electron deficient compound है और remaining are not electron deficient compound. A boric acid is an acid because of its molecule accept OH minus from water and releasing proton. अच्छा so many times this question is asked है. Like BOH taken thrice plus H2O, BOH taken 4 times minus plus H plus. Means accept OH minus ion from water and releasing proton. Right, चलो. Ionization enthalpy of the elements group 13 है. अच्छा सबसे ज्यादा किसका होता है? बोरान का. अच्छा बोरान का मतलब ये दोनों ऑप्शन इनकरेक्ट है आपका. बोरान के आफ्टर बोरान किसका है? गैलियम का. That means boron, gallium, indium. This is the correct statement. Thallium is also more because of inert pair effect. अच्छा correctly represented है बोरान है. बोरान के पास गैलियम है, गैलियम के पास थैलियम है, इसके पास एल्यूमिनियम है, इसके पास इंडियम है. Abnormality, melting point and ionization enthalpy and atomic radius. अच्छा compound X of boron react with ammonia. It's nothing but diboron है वाला. Diboron react with ammonia. अच्छा inorganic benzene is formed. अच्छा X is diboron. मतलब only the option X correct, incorrect, X incorrect. X only correct this one. A compound X can be prepared by treating with BF3 with aluminum chloride. That's very simple. 172 very simple question. 173. Which of the following cannot acting in both as Brunstein acid and Brunstein base? अच्छा this is only Brunstein acid है. Only acid है. हाँ. Which of the following cannot act both? अच्छा only acid है. This is only acid है. अच्छा both. ये वाला भी both. ये वाला भी both. The only possible is cannot acting as a both. It acting as only one. अच्छा remaining accept a proton ammonium ion, donate a proton NH2 minus. Possibility there. Accept a proton H2CO3, donate a proton CO3 minus. Accept a proton H2SO4, donate a proton SO4 minus. Possibility there. Now 174. Conjugate base for Brunstein acid. अच्छा conjugate base का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? एसिड माइनस प्रोटॉन. अच्छा इसमें एक प्रोटॉन कम करो OH माइनस है. इसमें एक प्रोटॉन कम करो F माइनस है. अच्छा OH माइनस एंड F माइनस रेस्पेक्टिवली. Conjugate base is nothing but acid minus proton. So now Which of the following salts will give highest pH in water? Highest pH means basic character. Achha, for your kind of information, this is salt of a strong acid and strong base, pH is equal to 7. Achha, more or less pH is equal to 7. Achha, strong acid and pH is less than 7. Achha, only one option and pH is greater than 7. Now, which one of the following molecule hydride acting as a Lewis acid? You know, electron deficient compounds are Lewis acids. So, electron rich, ये वाला electron rich, electron precise है, electron deficient. So, only electron deficient compounds are Lewis acids. Now, which of the following molecule? Again, Lewis acid का मतलब electron deficient है. अच्छा, whenever boron compounds are electron deficient. Boron compounds are because valence shell में 6 electrons है. Still, it requires 2 more electrons. अच्छा, here is lone pair is there ना, Lewis base है. Lone pair is there ना, Lewis base है. Whenever lone pairs are there, Lewis bases. Next question number 178. Question number 178. This is also NCERT textbook question 178. 10 power minus 8 molar HCl. How to find out H+N concentration? For your kind of information, if you calculate pH is equal to 8, it is not possible in case of acids. That means given H+N concentration, given H+ concentration at 10 power minus 8, definitely it is diluted. Diluted in the sense in aqueous solution. In aqueous solution, 10 power minus 7. Total H+ concentration is equal to 10 power minus 7 plus 10 power minus 8. 10 power minus 7 को common दिया 1 plus 10 power minus 1 10 power minus 7 into 1.1 मतलब 11 into 10 power minus 8 which is given in first option 178. अच्छा, pH calculate किया less than 7, approximately 6.98. देखो 179. अच्छा, ये Ka is given है. देखो Ka is given है. अच्छा, Ka value is given. If 0.1 mole of this acid dissolved in 1 liter of the solution, मतलब 0.1 mole in 1 liter solution, what is the concentration? Is nothing but. अच्छा, Ka value is given. Ka value is given. अच्छा, concentration is equal to 0.1 mole in 1 liter solution. 0.11. Ka value given 10 power minus 5. But they are asking percentage of acid, alpha value they are asking. They are asking alpha. Ka is equal to C alpha square. Acha, alpha square is equal to under root Ka by, sorry, alpha is equal to alpha under root Ka by C. Acha, Ka is equal to 10 power minus 5. Acha, concentration 10 power minus 1. 10 power minus 4, which is equal to 10 power minus 2. But they are asking percentage. They are asking percentage means into 100. Into 100. Which is equal to 10 power G, which is equal to. अच्छा, देखो Ka value is given है. C, number of moles per unit volume. 0.1 mole 1 liter. 0.1 concentration. अच्छा, K is equal to C alpha square है. Alpha calculate किया, but percentage means into 100 से multiply करना. 179. अच्छा question number 17 they given a K value is given 1.7 10 power minus 5. अच्छा H plus is given 3.4 into 10 power minus 4. अच्छा you have to calculate for your kind information H plus is equal to under root K into C. Or squaring on both sides. H plus square is equal to K into C. अच्छा H plus is given 3.4 into 10 power minus 4 into 3.4 into 10 power minus 4. अच्छा K value given 1.7 into 10 power minus 5 into C. देखो 1.7 1 से 2 से. अच्छा एक 10 power minus 4 कैंसिल किया बाकी है 10 power minus 1. अच्छा 2 into 3 6.8 है. 10 power minus 5 10 power minus that is nothing but 10 power minus 3 which is equal to concentration. अच्छा उसको देखो very simple था डायरेक्ट फार्मूला बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस आर फार्मूला बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस and very simple calculations भी था right. चलो very easy था. I think in this paper you get 100 plus marks is very easy था. Getting 100 plus marks is very easy था in this paper. And ionic equilibrium अच्छा these questions are mostly from NCERT textbook only and which are equivalent to the final NEET examination paper. Thank you.